Now that you've learned about many of the computational thinking concepts and explored many of the tools that we've used to teach them, let's apply this knowledge to your classroom. Integrating computational thinking into your classroom can be a bit tricky because there isn't a ready-made curriculum that we can just hand over to you. Instead, we encourage you to integrate these concepts into the lessons, curriculum, and standards you are already teaching in your classroom. For this project, the first thing that you'll need to do is think about the content area that you'd like to focus on. Then think about which computational thinking concept or concepts you would like to integrate. If you can't name both the content area and the computational thinking concept being taught, you should go back and revise your idea. Next, you should decide on which tool you want your students to use. Will they use Scratch to make a simulation, Ozobot to demonstrate their knowledge, or the Makey Makey as part of a larger project? Lastly, create an outline or idea overview. Keep it simple. I know this is exciting and you'll want to jump right in with a big, amazing project. But remember to scaffold for yourself and your students. Make sure you and your students are ready for the project that you have in mind. A good suggestion is to try and build an example end product that the students would develop as part of the idea. And then ask yourself if your students could realistically make this in your class. The main objective here is not to write a polished lesson plan. You'll do that in the next module. Instead, you will write the outline or overview for a lesson so that you could very easily take this home and refine it later. To get started, check out the guidelines in the project menu below.